Hi everybody, Robert here with more Revit Training. We're going to continue on with this little small house project. In the last video we looked at, we were going to do a slab on grade, and this is kind of what that detail looked like. So here in our section view, so this is our site plan. So what we want to do now, we want to look at our topo surface here. This is Revit 2023. I'm understanding got some new features in 2024. Well, for this exercise, let's go and focus on our site plan here. So I'm going to go into my site, tab these guys, and then here in this view, I'm going to go. Now, what's happening here? We've got a lot of different materials, different things happening, but this is meant to be asphalt. And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go into my site and massing here. I'm going to select topo surface. And now here, I'm going to just go and place points, place pointment. We will go, let's just go from here. Let's just concentrate on the boundary. So from there, this is the property boundary line from here. Actually, we should just do everything because we've got grass, and let me just do that again. Okay, so here we'll place a point. Is that my boundary? I think I lost my boundary now. Well, let's use this for now and go from here to here. And then this one. And so this will be our topo surface. So now you recognize these dots here. These are elevations. So basically, what I've done here, I placed this on the site level. Actually, it shouldn't go on the site level. It's actually below grade. So look at my section view here. So there's our topo surface. You can see it now. So then I kind of don't want to show all this under here. Well, we got a remedy for that, I think. But I'm going to go back into my site plan view. Now let's have another look in the section view. And you see, this is great. This is going up a little high. So I want to drop this down that distance, 6 inches, so we can clear the finished floor level. And we're going to have a slab slightly above grade. So let's go back into our site plan. And then what happens here is, hit this guy. You can just select this dot and change the elevation right here. So I'm going to make this -6 or whatever. Should have did that earlier, sorry. You see the contour for me. This one -6. Same with that one. Okay. -6 here. Okay, so now I finished that guy, and I was going to my 3D view, and there we see we've got our topo surface, and it's at the good elevation. So let's look at this. Let's have a look at that section view now. Now they're going to have a little issue about this depth here. It's got to go all the way down to at least 3'6". So here we can kind of clean this up by joining this together. I'm sorry, modify, join. You can join here. Okay, and we can do a join here and here. So that's kind of going to be that way. And as you can see, we brought down our grade to this level. So that's basically how that works. Now we want to go into our 3D view now. Now we've got all this, this is going to be asphalt. And then we're going to need a sidewalk here. So let's look at focus on material for this video. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to select this. And then I'm going to add a material here. So we're going to our properties. Everybody knows how to do material. Uh-oh, I don't see any asphalt in here. Asphalt shingle. Okay, quickly. This is how you fix that. We're going to create and duplicate a new material. And there's a default. And then, I don't remember how to do this, I think. It's been so wild. Okay, I got a better way to do it. Just go in here. Or you can pick up another project and transfer project standards. Come on. Oh, bugger. So I want to look for asphalt. Uh-oh, is it in there? There we go. Let's go bituminous. I wonder if that's in here. I don't even know if I'm spelling this right. So what I'm looking for is, let me go site work here. Here we go. Asphalt, light gray. Beautiful. So let's go with the dark gray here. I'm gonna just switch it over to there. And that's the look we're gonna get. I'm gonna say apply here, okay. And let's see what happens. So there we go. So that's our asphalt. That looks pretty good. And then we've got our pavement markings and everything set up. So hey guys, I'm gonna leave it there and continue on. So there's our section. So now what's gonna have to happen, we don't need to see, we're gonna have other materials here like rock and fill. So I'm gonna see if we can cut this out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna see if I can edit this. Okay, can't do that here. Cancel that. I might do another video because I want to show rock, because this is going to be fill under here. But by all practical purposes, this is kind of what we want here. But hey guys, thanks for watching my videos. I just want to run through this small little church project we got going here. Let's see, tab these guys. And then let's look at this realistically, just for the heck of it. So there's a few more things I need to fix here. I need a sidewalk and everything. And I've got videos of how you do this. I'm sure you know how. I need to fix these parking spaces. There's got to be a sidewalk here. Wow. But that's kind of what we're working with. So we've got our pavement down, our bituminous. So hey guys, thanks for watching, appreciate it. Please subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Okay y'all, be safe and talk to you soon. Bye.